The International Service for Human Rights has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President. We welcome the High Commissioner's report on the human rights of migrants in vulnerable situations, 34/31, and consider the case of Serbia. Despite the government's substantial efforts to respond to over 700,000 migrants passing through the country, we are concerned that protection gaps remain. We are also concerned that, when they work to fill those gaps, human rights defenders in Serbia can face obstacles to their work. During the registration process, unaccompanied children have been arbitrarily registered as being of legal age. When there are shortcomings in age assessment, children may not be able to access the protections they need and to which they are entitled. Far greater efforts need to be made to ensure formal education to all migrant children, unaccompanied or otherwise. In Serbia currently, however, only a small part of this population attends schools regularly. We want to emphasize the critical role that civil society organizations can play, including by providing services when the government cannot. Despite this fact, some NGOs in Serbia report being denied access to facilities and information necessary for their work to support and assist migrants. We are also worried about legal constraints, including a draft law on legal aid that could have serious impact on the activities of all NGOs that provide legal aid services in cases of human rights violations. Principle 18 of the report clearly states that governments should, quote, respect and support the activities of human rights defenders and others working to rescue and provide assistance to migrants, end quote. We urge delegations to take the guidance prepared by the ISHR under serious consideration and to use it to act now to address the situation of migrants. This includes supporting and not suppressing the work of those who seek to defend migrants' rights. Thank you, Mr. President.